Hi everybody, here's the latest installment of Autodoc's video tutorials on replacing car parts.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. We post new ones every week.
For more information, check the description below the video.
You can buy spare parts from us on our website or in the Autodoc app.
Are you interested in this product? All links can be found in the description.
Share this video if you found it interesting.
Thank you for watching our video tutorials. If you enjoyed watching, click thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.
Follow us on social media. Find us on Instagram and TikTok.